Okay, so let's talk about searching. I'm on my main page, I hit the search bar. Oops, looked like I was already looking at Walt Disney World. So in that search bar, it will pull up the top accounts initially that you want to search for. You can search for anything, like I'm literally looking outside, so I'm going to look at clouds. So see how it says top? These are the top accounts that Cloud is showing up in, and how funny is it that 3 of them are Disney people? Okay, so I'm gonna hit accounts and see clouds. Again, same thing, but then if I hit tags and see clouds, you can see all those hashtags and their numbers. But if I hit places, look, St. Cloud shows up. So let's look at Disney. Let me just show you that, because that's gonna be, actually, let's do the Haunted Mansion. So Haunted Mansion, if I click on places for the Haunted Mansion, it will bring up everything. In the top left corner are stories that people have posted where there's hashtag Haunted Mansion. So this is just showing you like all the different ways that we can utilize both hashtags and why it's so important to tag locations and other places, because there's so many different ways that you can pop up on Instagram and you can be found on Instagram. And again, with the way Instagram works is like the more people are on it and the more they're searching through a certain category, the more narrow their profile gets to those categories. So, Disney is a very big category, but the more we get our information out there, the more places will be able to be searched. So, good example is Haunted Mansion. All these stories are people that posted. This guy posted 23 hours ago with hashtag halfway to Halloween with a Haunted Mansion in there, and so did that person. So right here on the top, see how it's bold, and then I hit recent and it switches over. The top is the most, in this moment in time, the most viewed post that had the Haunted Mansion location in it, which sounds kind of confusing, but let's look. I'm going to tap this first one and it's going to pull up this person. So this person posted this photo, which seems like nothing, which is hilarious, but obviously she's somebody, with the Haunted Mansion as the location. And then this one did as well. So see, all these places have Haunted Mansion. These are the top ones. But under most recent, we'll show lesser known, obviously, individuals, because there's less action on the post. So let me show you again. This person had 8,447 likes. See that, with 57, maybe 58 comments. Also want to point out that that's from December 20th, 2019. Let's just look at that really fast. This one's from January 16th. So it doesn't necessarily mean in this top category that they're recent photos. It could just be, a photo that did really well. So let's look at this next one. It says recent. These are the most recent photos that someone has used the location hashtag for Haunted Mansion. So I'm going to click on this person. And this girl has 5 likes. The second photo, this one has 3 likes. So like our photos can and will show up just like these people's in order to get more action and engagement. Let's just scroll for a minute. Oop, that's kind of scary. Let's not look at that. Oh, look, it's Lisa. That's funny how that happened. I was wondering when these were posted 4 days ago. So actually I can't remember if we put, let's look. Oh, if I could spell correctly. Lunchbox Ghost. What hashtags did I actually put? Oh, Haunted Mansion was in there, so we should actually be in that. Oh, but it wasn't a location. See, it's because the location got removed, but that's fine. Let's look at Walt Disney World and see if we actually show up there, just because I'm curious. So these are the top people with Walt Disney World, and this is the most recent. And look, there we are. Oh my goodness, 1, 2, 3, the 4th one. So we click on it and look. People who are looking at Walt Disney World or looking at the Walt Disney World location will see our image. So that's why it needs to be super engaging. Oh, that's so exciting, guys.